ready to turn your static images into captivating, looping animations. First, open Photoshop and import your images. Then go to Window and select Timeline at the bottom of the Timeline panel. Choose Create Frame Animation from the drop-down menu and click the button next to it. Now add new frames by clicking the new frame icon. Each frame will represent a step in your animation. Populate each frame with your desired image variations. In the Layers panel, control which elements are visible in each frame by toggling the eye icon on and off. For example, in frame 1, layer 1 might be visible, and in frame 2, layer 2 might be visible. Adjust the delay time for each frame by selecting the Delay Time drop-down menu underneath each frame. Experiment with different timings to control the speed of your animation. Set the looping option to determine how many times your animation repeats. You can choose once, 3 times, or forever, depending on your preference. To save your animation, go to File, Export, and select Save for Web Legacy. Choose GIF as the file format and adjust the color palette and other settings to optimize the file size for sharing. Experiment with different settings to find the right balance between file size and image quality. Finally, click Save and your animated GIF is ready to be shared on social media, websites, or anywhere else you want to add a touch of motion. Now you're a GIF master.